up. Gotta fix it. Bondo. God damn it! Beautiful. Now I gotta make these out of 1/2 inch. Use these, I'm gonna have to clean them up. First I gotta grab the grills, fit them with these pieces, so I could use these pieces to copy it on the 1/2 inch. So here's my centerpiece. Taped it together. This is a copy of the Ford logo, so I'll use it instead of the Ford logo so I don't screw it up. But I got it measured out. So center. And now I'm going to take a spiral flush trim bit and route out the hole for this on this 1/4 inch piece. Hopefully don't fuck it up, because I'll have to remake it, which is a pain in the ass. But then I'll have a hole a little bit bigger than this. I'll save the pieces that are under this to support it, so it'll sit the same height as the 1/2 inch I'm going to actually finish cutting this with. Still don't know what I'm going to do with the corners. They're kind of sharp. I don't know what that does to the vinyl. Thinking I might have to round them off, though I don't want to. But I'll round them off in the 1/2 inch version, because I'll cut all the 1/2 inch and I'll do that. So this piece, I need to cut this out, and then I still need to cut 3/4 of an inch off of each of these separate pieces, and the other two that are sitting on the box, the end pieces, and then copy it onto 1/2 inch, chamfer it, set it all up, rabbet the bottom so I could go over the carpet in a certain spot, and that should do it. And then I got to wrap these in vinyl, if I could do that. So, you know, the vinyl wrapping, I'm not the greatest. These are the ends, and trying to make them look like that part, the little tapering part. I have to round these off a little bit. Maybe just cut a little 45 in them to do it. That's what it looks like. And the gap's like a 1/2 inch, and this gap is 3/4 or 1.5 inches and 1/2 inch. Should work. We'll see. Now I gotta clean these up, get them sized, make sure they stay together. I'll throw some extra tape on them or something, and then use them as templates to cut out the 1/2 inch. There's the templates. Made them out of 1/4 inch. You can't help that these guys didn't make this shit the right roundness for the 8-inch woofer. I don't understand, but it's, you know, nothing I can fix. And if I make mine look like that, I think it's gonna look like shit. There's still some fitment areas and some things I can do that I'm not happy with. But right now I'm gonna cut these out a 1/2 inch. That in there look pretty good. It'll sit on a piece of 1/4 inch that I cut out of this hole. It'll sit on that, so it'll sit up the same as the 1/2 inch. That's my thought so far, but I don't know, I like it.